Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit, and this is part 3. We're going to be working on step number 3, which is to attach these two knuckles to the front drive that we built in the last video. And this is quite interesting how this comes together, but first we need to identify which one of these knuckles is the left and right. So if you remember, there's a notch right here on this hex. And so this is going to be the right side and this is the left side. Another thing we need to pay attention to is that this is not a hex screw. We can't use a hex driver to turn this. We will need to take a nut driver that's 5.5 millimeters and use that instead. So that's something to watch out for. Alright, so this drive shaft is quite unstable, so I'm going to start on this side. And hopefully by putting on the knuckle here, it will stabilize it on the other end. So we just need to make sure this dog bone lines up with that drive cup. But first we're going to put one of these bigger washers through the screw, and then we're going to thread the screw from the bottom, followed by a smaller washer. Okay, we're going to try to hold it like that. And this drive cup, again, we need to make sure it lines up. And then we need to line up the screw hole with the knuckle there. And I'm going to start it with my fingers and then finish it. Just tighten it a little bit with the nut driver. And now the top is a little bit different. The top is not going to have a washer on the outside. Instead, it's going to have this spring first and then the washer underneath it like that. And so I'm going to try to just slide those in there. Hopefully get everything lined up. And once again, try to start it with my fingers first. Okay, and if you did it right, it should look like that. And this is basically going to act as the suspension for the front. Before we start this side, I want to squeeze a little bit of grease into there, where that dog bone meets the axle right there. And now we're going to work on the right side, and we need to make sure we have the top and the bottom correct. This is the top side. And it's going to go like this. So let's start on the bottom again. First thing, large washer onto the screw. Like that. And now we need to put the spring and the small washer underneath here in between. And again, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of grease where the dog bone is. And that's it. Very cool. Never built anything like this before. So that was part 3. And in the next video, we're going to do parts 4 and 5. We're going to build this steering tie rod and then put together the servo saver. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.